In this video, we'll guide you through the essentials of physical fitness, helping you build a solid foundation for a healthier and more active lifestyle. Improving cardiovascular endurance can enhance your overall stamina and reduce the risk of heart disease. Building muscular strength can improve your ability to perform everyday tasks and enhance your physical performance. Improving flexibility can enhance your movement efficiency and reduce the risk of injury. Body composition refers to the proportion of fat and non-fat mass in your body. Maintaining a healthy body composition can improve your overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Understanding and mastering the basics of physical fitness can have a profound impact on your life. As a beginner, you may notice increased energy levels, improved mood, better sleep, and enhanced self-esteem. Embracing physical fitness can lead to a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. As a beginner, it's essential to start slow and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. This approach will help prevent injuries and allow your body to adapt to the new demands. 2. Set realistic goals. Break your long-term goals into smaller, manageable milestones and celebrate your progress along the way. 3. Warm up and cool down. Always start your workout with a warm-up to prepare your body for physical activity. Similarly, end your workout with a cool down to help your body recover and reduce the risk of injury. 4. Mix up your workouts. Incorporate different types of exercises such as cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine. 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after workouts. If you experience pain or discomfort, take a break and allow your body to recover. Pushing through pain can lead to injuries. Here are some techniques and habits to incorporate into your routine. 1. Maintaining proper form and technique during exercises is crucial for preventing injuries and maximizing the effectiveness of your workouts. If you're unsure about the correct form, consider working with a fitness professional or using online resources. 2. Consistency is key to achieving your fitness goals. Aim to exercise regularly, even if it's just a short workout. 3. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is essential for fueling your workouts and supporting overall health. Focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. 4. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels and preventing dehydration. 5. Rest and recovery are vital components of a fitness routine. Make sure to get enough sleep each night and allow your muscles to recover between workouts. Here are some simple and effective exercise routines for beginners to help you get started. 1. Cardiovascular exercises. Walking. Start with a 10-15 minute walk and gradually increase the duration and intensity. Cycling. Use a stationary bike or go for a bike ride outdoors. Jumping jacks. Perform sets of jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. 2. Strength training exercises. Body weight squats. Perform squats using just your body weight to build lower body strength. Push-ups. Start with modified push-ups on your knees if needed, and gradually progress to full push-ups. Planks. Hold a plank position to strengthen your core muscles. 3. Flexibility exercises. 1. Static stretching. Perform static stretches for major muscle groups after your workout. Yoga. Incorporate yoga poses to improve flexibility and reduce stress. Foam rolling. Use a foam roller to release muscle tension and improve flexibility. Here are some ways to track your progress. 1. Keep a fitness journal. Record your workouts, including the type of exercise, duration, and intensity. 2. Use fitness apps. There are many fitness apps available that can help you track your workouts, set goals, and monitor your progress. 3. Take measurements. Track changes in your body composition by taking measurements of your waist, hips, chest, and other areas. Regularly weigh yourself to monitor changes in your weight. 4. Set milestones. Set specific milestones and reward yourself when you achieve them. This can help keep you motivated and focused on your long-term goals. Without adequate rest, you risk overtraining and injuries. Here are some tips for effective rest and recovery. 1. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to allow your body to recover and rejuvenate. 2. Take rest days. Incorporate rest days into your weekly routine to give your muscles time to recover. Avoid intense workouts on rest days. 3. Listen to your body. If you feel fatigued or experience pain, take a break and allow your body to recover. Pushing through pain can lead to injuries. 4. Use recovery techniques. Incorporate recovery techniques such as stretching, foam rolling, and massage into your routine to enhance recovery and reduce muscle soreness. Building a support system. 1. Workout buddy. Find a workout buddy to exercise with. Having someone to share your fitness journey with can make workouts more enjoyable and keep you accountable. 2. Join a fitness class. Joining a fitness class can provide a sense of community and support. It's also a great way to meet new people and learn new exercises. 3. Seek professional help. Consider working with a personal trainer or fitness coach. 4. Engage with online communities. Join online fitness communities or forums where you can connect with others who share similar fitness goals. Overcoming common challenges. Here are some tips for overcoming these challenges. 1. Lack of time. If you're short on time, try incorporating shorter, high-intensity workouts into your routine. Even a 10-15 minute workout can be effective. 2. Lack of motivation. If you're struggling with motivation, try setting specific goals and rewards. Find a workout buddy or join a fitness class to stay motivated. 3. Plateaus. If you hit a plateau, try changing up your workouts or increasing the intensity. 4. Fear of injury. To reduce the risk of injury, focus on maintaining proper form and technique. Start with low-impact exercises and gradually increase the intensity. Quick actionable cheat sheet. Set realistic goals for your fitness journey. Start slow and gradual to prevent injuries. Warm up and cool down before and after workouts. Mix up your workouts to keep them interesting. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Maintain proper form and technique during exercises. Stay consistent with your fitness routine. Follow a balanced diet to fuel your workouts. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Get enough rest and incorporate rest days into your routine. Mastering the basics of physical fitness is the first step towards a healthier and more active lifestyle. By understanding key concepts, setting realistic goals, and incorporating practical tips and techniques, you can build a solid foundation for your fitness journey. Remember to start slow, stay consistent, and listen to your body. The path to physical fitness is a marathon, not a sprint, and every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the process of becoming a healthier, stronger, and more confident version of yourself. Please leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. For more help, guidance, and support, check the description below. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health. Subscribe to our channel today so you can continue on with your self-improvement journey.